Hello, my dear students. Our subject is 12th Business Studies. Myself now Bahar. As we know that we were discussing about chapter number 6, staffing. And our last topic was elements of staffing. As we know that there were three elements of staffing. First was recruitment. Second was selection, which we have already discussed. Now we are going to discuss about training and development. First of all, we have learned about the training. As we know that we are going to select out a best candidate for the organization, and after giving him appointment and letter of appointment, we are to give training. Here this concept is related to third element, that is training and development. Then we first of all we have to discuss about that what is the training. As we know that training means equipping the employees with required skill to perform the job. कैंडिडेट को जॉब को परफॉर्म करने के लिए जो भी हमारे इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, जो भी हमारी स्किल्ड है उनको इक्विप करना, वो सारी की सारी स्किल्स है जो परफॉर्म करने के लिए जॉब के लिए ज़रूरी है, वो उनको दिया जाना है. द कैंडिडेट्स आर सेंट एंड फॉर दैट द कैंडिडेट्स they are sent for training so that they can perform the job in the expected manner. As we know that trained human beings, if they are to perform their activities for the organization, then they must give their best to the organization. Their performance should be appropriate. They can utilize latest know-how or latest technology with latest skills, or they are to be given training. As we know that there is a time of so many changes which may arise when business organization they are going to operate their business activities. There is a lot of change in the technology, and for knowing about those technology they are required some training programs, so they are to be given some training. They are sent by the organization for taking the new skills and new techniques of performing the task, that is known as training. अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को नए नए तौर तरीके हैं, नई टेक्नोलॉजी में चेंज आता है, उसके कानून को परफॉर्म करने के लिए नई जो टेक्नोलॉजीज़ हैं हमारी या रिक्वायर्ड स्किल है उसको बेटा उनको सीखने के लिए भेजा जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज ट्रेनिंग. सेकंड है डेवलपमेंट. डेवलपमेंट इज ए वाइड कंसेप्ट देन ट्रेनिंग. डेवलपमेंट एक वाइड कंसेप्ट है एंड वी नो दैट इट focuses on personal growth and successful employees development. Or it includes, we can see that throughout development in a human being. and it includes throughout development in a employees in a employee. It includes development in the aptitude, attitude, effectiveness, efficiency of the employees. It is also includes the job responsibility along with the authority. All the employees, they are very well known about the responsibilities of the work which is given by the higher authorities. It also includes the system of demotion, promotion. So development is a wide concept than training, and it includes job promotion है, checking performance level है, giving them the यानी कि we can say that it focus on personal growth and successful employees development. So training and development is also the very important element of the staffing. If we are to use, or all the business organizations who are operating their business on large scale, they are using this system in an appropriate way so that they can differentiate, or all those organizations, they are in such a position to capture a regional name in the market, and that, or we can say that capturing a reasonable name in the market by the organization, that is not possible if those organizations, they are not having efficient and effective human beings or employees. So employees plays the prominent role in the growth and development of the organization. So training and development, this is the very important aspect. Now we are going to discuss about need for training and development. Now I am going to, or we will discussing about the following points which have the requirement for training and development, or we can say that these are also known as benefits. First, as we know that training reduced learning time. As we are to give, or organization, if he is giving the training, proper training before placing their employees on the job, then this must reduce the learning time. ये learning time को reduce कर देगा, that will bring efficiency in the organization. Second one, better performance. As we know, when trained employees, they are going to perform their task in the organization, then they must perform in a better way, because they are very well known about all the skills which are required for performing those tasks. So it is very helpful in giving better performance of the employees. Third one is attitude formation. Attitude formation. As we know that the training and development aim at molding the employees so that they can develop positive attitude for the organization. As we know that all the employees who are properly trained, then they are having the positive attitude regarding performing their task. They are ready to take the initiatives, and they will try to give their best to the organization, and they are also having the sense of cooperation among the employees. So training and development also helpful in maintaining attitude formation of the employees. Next one, aids in or help in solving operational problems. While performing various activities in the organization faces varied problems such as problem of absenteeism, There are so many problems they may arise in front of the employees, जैसे absenteeism, wastage of resources. These are the major or basic problems which are faced by the organization, such as wastage of resources, lack of teamwork, lack of teamwork, dissatisfaction of employees, dissatisfaction of employees. So we can say that this particular program or element, training and development, that must reduce or that must aid or help in solving such type of problems such as absenteeism by providing them good working condition. And we know that trained employees, they are very much ready to face the task when they are to be given. ट्रेंड एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं तो बेटा वो टास्क को फेस करने में तैयार हैं, तो वो एब्सेंटिज्म को रिड्यूस कर देगा. Trained employees must give the efficiency, that means minimum wastage of resources. Lack of teamwork है, they are to cooperate to each other when they are properly trained and they are properly developed. And sometimes they face the problem of dissatisfaction, then this will also reduce this type of situation. Next one है managing manpower needs. Managing manpower needs. As we know that some organizations have specialized techniques of production and the ready staff is not available. Or we can say that in some organizations some of the task is there which cannot be performed by the specialized human beings because specialized techniques they are required. एक स्पेशल टाइप की टेक्निक होती है जो लगानी होती है, तो बेटा उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही काम किया जाता है. तो समटाइम्स एम्प्लॉयज दे आर हैविंग लैक ऑफ दिस स्टाफ. सो इन दिस केस trained employees they are to be given, or we can say that they are to be appointed in the organization so they can give their best to the organization. If we are not having the staff or trained staff, then the organization they hire untrained people and they train them with the required skill according to their organization need. If suppose we are not having the trained human beings, then organization they first select out the untrained staff, then they are to be given proper training so that they may be trained in the organization and they will try to best. Next, help to adapt changes. This is the major problem. As we know that in modern days we can say that everything is going to be changed. No technological and other aspect they are fixed or they cannot be stable for a long period of time. There is a great change. So sometimes human beings they resist the changes. कई बार एम्प्लॉइज उन चेंजेस को रेजिस्ट कर देते हैं, बेटा रेजिस्ट कर देते हैं. दे आर नॉट इन फेवर ऑफ द अडॉप्टिंग न्यू चेंजेस. सो दिस प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम हेल्प्स इन अडॉप्टिंग दो चेंजेस बाय द एम्प्लॉइज इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अगर ट्रेनिंग देंगे डेवलपमेंट देंगे बेटा, तो जो रजिस्ट करते हैं एम्प्लॉइज दे आर टू बी गिवन प्रॉपर टाइम. नाउ बेनिफिट्स. Benefits of this element training and development to the employees. By giving this program training and development, employees they may be in a situation, or this is more beneficial for the employees, or employees they can gain out the benefits of this program, such as better career operation or better career options. Trained and developed employees, they are having the many options regarding their career. And trained and developed employees, they are having the capability of earning more by giving their services to the organization. वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कमा भी सकते हैं बेटा, बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी ट्रेन एंड दे आर थ्रू आउट डेवलप्ड. देन देर इज नो नीड टू गिविंग देम ट्रेनिंग. बूस्ट अप द मोरल ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज. दिस प्रोसेस इज also helpful, or it increase or boost up the moral of the employees. Training and employees जो होता है बेटा वो boost up करता है employees का. They are ready, very much ready to take and to face the problems when they may arise, because they are having self confidence regarding their job and performance of their task, and less chance of accidents, less chances of accidents. As we know that in the business organization, if trained employees they are performing the task, then training makes employees more efficient, so there are less chances of accidents. So these are the benefits which are to be for the side of employees, such as better career option. When employees they are having improved skills and knowledge, then they are having the best career options, earning more. All the efficient employees who are giving efficient performance, they are able to get more and more in the organization. Training increases the satisfaction and the morale of the employees, and training makes employees more efficient, so there may be less chance of accidents. Okay बेटा, थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे. ये हमारा थर्ड एलिमेंट था, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, और ये इसके हैं बेनिफिट्स. ओके, थैंक यू बेटा.